Welcome to my channel. Today we will make Aval Bagalabath. Aval Bagalabath is flat rice or poha mixed in curd. For that I have taken 2 cups of medium size flat rice. If you are using thin flat rice, just wash it and allow the water to drain. I have soaked it for 2 minutes because it's medium, and then I have drained the water. After that it will become soft. Once it is soft, add it to a bigger vessel and add half a liter of fresh curd. Curd should not be sour. Add fresh curd and then add about quarter liter of milk, quarter liter or 250 ml of milk to it. Adding quarter liter of milk and half a liter of curd will be tasty for this dish. So mix well. Even after that you may have to add a little water if it is very tight or hard. I have added 3/4 teaspoon of salt. You may add salt as per your taste. I have cut one small cucumber into small pieces, grated one small piece of ginger and grated one carrot. I have cut one green chilli into small pieces. For the seasoning, I have taken half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and half a teaspoon of urad dal. Put it in hot oil and add quarter teaspoon of asafoetida, and when the mustard splutter, add cut green chilli and a few curry leaves and add it to the flat rice. Now add the carrot, grated ginger and finely cut cucumber. You may also add a few pieces of mango if you like it. Now everything is well mixed. I have added pomegranate and coriander leaves. Mix it well. This is a very tasty dish, and for this hot summer it is going to be very tasty. You can keep it in the fridge for a few minutes and eat it. You will definitely enjoy it. There is no need for a pickle also because it's going to be very tasty. I am sure everyone are going to try it and comment without fail. When you are serving, add it in a plate or bowl and add boondi, salted boondi, not the masala boondi. Add salted boondi or save to it, which is going to give extra taste, and children will also love it. Everyone will like it. It's going to be very tasty. I am sure everyone are going to make it and enjoy it. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please do subscribe. Click the bell icon and choose all option. When you will get notification for all the videos that I post. You can watch all my videos without missing it, and try the recipe and comment without fail. Let's meet in the next video.